Again, let me explain the question. In an isosceles triangle ABC, ABC is an isosceles triangle. That means these two sides are equal, and obviously the opposite angles to stand to be equal. And with AB equals AC, that is clearly mentioned. Bisectors of B and C intersect at O. 1 equals 1, 2 equals 2. That is what bisectors mean, that both angles stand to be equal upon bisection. Intersect each other at O. Join A to O. Show OB equals OC and AO bisects angle A. So we have to prove this part, and we have to prove that these two are equal. It's not given component. So to prove is OA bisects angle A and OB equals OC. That's the components. For isosceles triangle AB equals AC, then obviously angle B will be equal to angle C, because angles opposite to equal sides are equal. I love to project how Euclid's axioms run through the entire proofs, as the vertebral column runs throughout the body, human body. The Euclid's axioms run throughout the proofs and stand like pillars, and watch how, according to Euclid's seventh axiom, things which are half of the same things are equal to one another. Therefore, these two are equal. Therefore, 1 equals to 2 is the fallout of B by 2. B by 2 is 1, and that is the fallout. 1 equals 2, and this means OBC angle equals OCB. And the direct fallout of this is, this OBC has once again proved to be an isosceles triangle, and when the angles are equal, obviously the sides opposite to the angles are also equal. Therefore, OB equals to OC has been proved. This component has been arrived at, hence proved. Now the second part, OA bisects angle A, and once OB equals OC and AB equals AC and OA equals OA common. This is common. This is given component AB equals AC, and this is common line between these two triangles. We have AOB congruent AOC by triple S congruence criterion, and basing upon this, we have BAO equals CAO, and therefore these two angles are equal, which implies that OA bisects angle A. And this is how the proof needs to be written in a very clear, simple way. This is the explanation part, and this is how it need be presented in the problem.